We are currently working on developing the better techniques to detect COVID-19, since it's a burning topic right now.
So we were teaching students about the evolution of the virus by this sequence alignment, and then looking at the structure of a particular protein from the virus and how mutations in that protein might affect structure and function.
What I'm looking for right now are multiple mutations in the primers that we are using. So towards the end, we could maybe check to see how the natural mutations might affect primer binding in the end.
We're going to implement it in our lab and develop teaching lab techniques so that everybody can implement it and use the technique and have better detection of the virus.
The primary objective is to get students to know how we can do it. And in our laboratories, we can do both. We can do antibody tests by ELISAs, but we also have an instrument that allows us primary detection of the virus. And technique is called RT-PCR. So we have that instrument as well in Molecular Biology and Biochemistry Center in Shinneman.
SARS-CoV-2 is recent news. There hasn't really been like a clear direction we could go down, so I'm also learning on my feet.
We are trying to evolve the technique so that we can have a better detection and better reliable results.
Professor Bendiskis and Kepe are really great professors. I had Professor Bendiskis in my last semester biochemistry lecture and Dr. Kepe as my lab instructor. They were really good at teaching. They were really present. Biochemistry itself is a really interesting course, and as a whole, the major itself is also pretty cool.